afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past question. Question number 86. This is question number 86, and the instruction here says fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options, and this instruction is to answer question from 71 to 100. This is question number 86, and question number 86, the statement says malaria is a tropical dash spread in sub-Sahara. And this register, as I told us, this question is from register, and this register is from what we call the disease. So it is from what we call disease. So malaria is a tropical dash widespread in sub-Sahara. A, complication. B, condition. C, disease. D, infection. E, infirmity. Malaria, as we all know, malaria is a disease, so we don't need to talk about maybe complication or condition or infection or infirmity, because when we talk about infection is something that you contact maybe through restroom and so on, but malaria particularly is a disease. So malaria is a tropical disease widespread in sub-Sahara. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.